Look at those who have less than you, those who are less fortunate than you. You lost your spouse, it's not going to be easy. Yes, there is a period within which you will not be able to get married. Allah wants you to go through a certain period as a female who is a widow, for protection, for contemplation, for worship of Allah, for getting close to Allah, for being protected from abuse and so many other things, for calming, for settling, for letting the dust settle. I know of people who have said, I'll never get married, after the husband passes away. Never. Why? He was a good man. Abu Abdullah was an amazing man. How can I get married? How? When he was such a good man. And yes, sister, you're only 28. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you. And I tell you, at 30, the same sister is married and says, Wallahi, Allah blessed me with a man better than Abu Abdullah. How was that? That's why I tell the guys, he says, may Allah not take me. What will happen to my wife? I say, she'll probably be married to a better guy than you. Don't worry. May Allah forgive us. So it's natural, it's human to say, I won't do something over time. And the world changes. You may end up doing it. So they say never for things like these. You don't know. But you know the emptiness of losing a child is worse. The emptiness of losing a child is worse. I cannot explain to you, I cannot comfort you more than a certain amount. After that, it's Allah. Develop your link with Allah. Praise Allah. Remember Allah, the dhikr of Allah. As you stand, as you sit, as you lie down, read your du'as, your supplications. They will help you out. Go and help others and Allah will help you out of your mess. كَانَ اللَّهُ فِي عَوْنِ الْعَبْدِ مَا كَانَ الْعَبْدُ فِي عَوْنِ أَخِيهِ. Allah will continue to help a slave for as long as that slave is busy helping another. Subhanallah. Are you not going to be busy helping someone?